Laveen Laundry Room Remodeling. Transform your outdated laundry area. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we're all about transforming your living spaces into something you'll love. We understand the importance of having a well-designed and functional laundry room. Our skilled professionals will work closely with you to create a space that meets and exceeds your expectations. Contact us today and discuss your dream laundry area. Upgrade your laundry room to make laundry easier. We understand that a well-organized and functional laundry room can make all the difference in how you feel about doing laundry. That's why we're here to help transform your laundry area into a more comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing part of your home. Our expert designers will work closely with you to assess your needs and create a custom layout for your new laundry room remodeling in Laveen. With our wide array of materials, finishes, and design options, you'll have no trouble creating a look that suits your style. With our help, you won't just upgrade your laundry space, you'll completely revolutionize it. So give us a call, and let's start turning your laundry room into a beautiful, practical oasis you'll love spending time in. Will a laundry room renovation in Laveen add value? Certainly. Renovating the laundry room in a home in Laveen, Arizona can enhance its value by improving functionality and aesthetics. The extent of the value increase will vary based on factors like the renovation's quality, market conditions, and buyer preferences. It also helps make your laundry day easier. Laundry room remodeling contractors near me. Transforming your laundry room into a space of pure enchantment and practicality requires the expertise of exceptional contractors who truly understand your vision. We pride ourselves on being the premier choice for turning your laundry room dreams into a breathtaking reality. With an unwavering commitment to quality and a genuine passion for our craft, our contractors are ready to deliver remarkable results that will exceed your expectations. Open and transparent communication is the cornerstone of our success. Our experts will collaborate closely with you, providing invaluable guidance and creative solutions, as together we weave a tapestry of beauty and functionality in your laundry room. Discover the joy of a laundry room that transcends the ordinary. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.